So we're just trying to loosen all that up. Boom. Yes. Good. Are you an athlete? Do you love staying active to keep up with your kiddos? Did you know that we can help keep you moving pain-free? I'm Dr. Ashley, your Bay City chiropractor. Today, I'm going to show you how we treat Mike, who's very active with CrossFit and his job. Mike does a great job of staying ahead of his aches and pains with his tune-up. So here's how we treat him. All right, everyone, I'm going to show you how we treat them. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by working some of these muscles up top. So you're going to look up like this and then down to that left armpit. Up and down. Good. So what I'm doing right now is some active release, working on breaking up some of that scar tissue that starts to form with a lot of overhead movement, a lot of working out. So he gets in every couple weeks just to get everything cleaned up. A lot of muscle work here and across. So that way he prevents things from becoming a problem. Good. Awesome. Other side. So you're going to look up and down to that. So every couple weeks what we do is we work on whatever is super tight on him. So last week he came in, he had some Achilles discomfort. So we lasered him, worked a lot of the muscles. This week he's got a little bit in the upper traps, levator. So we're working on cleaning all that up. Good. All right, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to do some cupping on him. Can you feel that one? Mm-hmm. So he has a job that is very physical. So every once in a while his traps will get super jazzed up. All right, a little bit on the other side. All right, so with those cups on, I'm gonna have you, you're gonna kind of open it up like this, and then you're also gonna look down for a couple. So we're just trying to loosen all that up. Boom. Yes.
This just made it all harder.
So you can see how we got some of the cups getting pretty red. So we're trying to bring out all that bad blood flow. Couple more. Yeah, you're gonna get some good marks on you. But they shouldn't last more than a couple days. Couple more. Good. Yes, he's got some good ones. So you can see here how red it got. Perfect. So again, we're trying to bring out all that bad blood flow so that it can heal a lot faster with good blood flow to go to the area. All right, you can put your shirt back on, and then I'll have you lay on your back. All right. Good job. Good. Awesome. All right, so we're gonna get that middle back moving. You're gonna take a deep breath in and all the way out. Good job, one more. In, out. Good. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. If you or someone you know loves to stay active and keep up with your kiddos and work, and you want to get an exam and treatment all in the same day, reach out. Tune-ups and muscle work can keep you ahead of your flare-ups. Think of it like taking care of your car. Imagine if you waited for your car engine to blow up before you added oil. Don't wait until you're broken. Take that first important step and schedule an appointment with us today. Let's keep you moving. Call 989-686-6808.